The Smith machine donkey calf raise is a weighted variation of the donkey calf raise that targets both the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the Smith machine bar at about waist height with a bench placed in front. Ensure the safety stops are in place just below the bottom of your range of motion to catch the bar if needed. Place a sturdy step that is high enough to allow a full range of motion for your calves directly under the Smith machine bar. Bend at the waist, then place your hands on the bench for support while keeping your upper body parallel to the ground. Place the Smith machine bar across your lower back just above your glutes, ensuring it's resting comfortably on your hips and not directly on your spine. Tighten your core and keep your back flat to maintain proper posture throughout the exercise. Place the balls of your feet on the edge of the step with your heels hanging off. Your feet should be about hip width apart. Under control, slowly lower your heels down toward the ground, allowing your calves to stretch fully. Press through the balls of your feet and raise your heels as high as possible, squeezing your calves at the top of the movement. Hold the top position for 1 to 2 seconds to maximize the contraction. Slowly lower your heels back down to the starting position to feel a good stretch in your calves. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.